If SketchUp is giving you a rendering error, a black screen, shattered geometry, missing faces, or problems the moment you hit render, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the most common fixes step by step so you can get back to working smoothly in SketchUp and in third-party renderers like Vray or Enscape. And if this helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more SketchUp tutorials just like this. Let's start with internal viewport rendering errors. If your model looks broken, faces are disappearing, or the screen goes black when you orbit around the scene, the first thing to check is the graphics engine. Go to Window, then Preferences, then Graphics. In newer versions of SketchUp, the new graphics engine can be powerful, but on older GPU drivers, it can cause rendering issues. If that sounds like your problem, switch the engine over to Classic, then restart SketchUp and test your model again. If your lines look jagged or seem to vibrate, that can be an anti-aliasing problem. While you are still in the graphics settings, lower the multisample anti-aliasing to 2 times or 4 times. This can make the display more stable and reduce the visual glitching that makes the viewport hard to use. If the render view looks like it is cutting through your objects as you zoom, that is usually a clipping plane issue. The easiest fix is to use zoom extents. On most systems, you can press Ctrl, Shift, and E. This recalibrates the camera view and often solves the strange clipping effect immediately. Now let's move on to third-party plugin errors, because a lot of SketchUp rendering problems happen inside tools like Vray and Enscape. If you get an error message the second you click render, the first thing to check is version compatibility. Many plugins need a specific update before they can properly support the SketchUp 2026 file format. So make sure you are using the latest version of your renderer, because an outdated build can fail even if SketchUp itself is working perfectly. Next, check your asset paths. If your plugin says rendering error, there is a good chance it cannot find one or more textures. Open the asset editor in your renderer and look for any file paths that are highlighted in red. Red paths usually mean missing textures, moved folders, or broken links. Fix those paths, re-link the files, and try rendering again. If your GPU render fails, do not assume the entire project is broken. Try switching the plugin from GPU rendering to CPU rendering. If the scene works on CPU, that often means your graphics driver needs an update or your model is using more VRAM than your card can handle. This is a very common issue in larger scenes with lots of textures, shadows, and complex geometry. Another powerful fix is the Purge method. Sometimes a corrupted component, unused material, or overly heavy texture can trigger a rendering error because the engine is trying to process too much unnecessary data. To clean that up, go to Window, then Model Info, then Statistics, click Purge Unused, and then click Fix Problems. This clears out the bloat inside the file and can solve crashes that seem random at first. If your render looks black or has strange spots, also known as artifacts, then texture and shader overload may be the cause. Go back to Window, Preferences, Graphics, and check whether Use Maximum Texture Size is enabled. If you're getting crashes or instability, try unchecking it. That can reduce memory pressure and help SketchUp behave more reliably. Also make sure your faces are oriented correctly. Renderers do not like inside-out geometry. SketchUp models should show the white front side of the face, not the blue or gray backside. If you see reversed faces, right-click, reverse them, and make sure the entire model is oriented properly before rendering. This one small step can fix black materials, weird shading, and missing surfaces very quickly. So if you are dealing with a SketchUp rendering error, remember the main fixes. Switch the graphics engine if needed. Reduce anti-aliasing, use zoom extents for clipping issues, update your renderer, check your asset paths, try CPU rendering, purge unused content, and verify your face orientation. Those steps solve the majority of SketchUp render problems without needing to rebuild your model from scratch. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more SketchUp troubleshooting guides, rendering tips, and workflow tutorials. And if you want, I can also make a follow-up video on fixing specific Vray, Enscape, or SketchUp black screen errors in more detail. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.